Hi guys, Cindy here. So I already did this video and I don't like it. It wasn't in focus and I probably gave too much information and stuff that my husband would not be happy about. So I'm going to delete that one and we're redoing it. But I certainly hate to waste a good nail design and not get it in. So these are the nails that we did. And they were like super duper 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 easy to do. We can go ahead and do like, I ombre them out with hearts. I don't know if you can see that goes from a gray to silver to clear to kind of a pink to kind of purple. And the other hand, I did that too. These have been drying. And I got these glitter. I'm certain I got it off Wish. If anyone's interested, I can look through my purchase history and see if I can find them and give the link, okay? And these were the ones I used. I started with the thumb, pointer, middle finger, light pink, ring finger, and then purple. I thought that would be pretty. You know, you could have done like dark, silver, and I could have gone back to silver and dark and without the pink in it, but I wanted the pink in there. So, and it was just super duper easy. I used my Enail Coutoure these so that I kind of wanted square, but I don't really like square, and the squares I've got are kind of long, and I would, after I pull these off, I would like to save them. I would like to be able to wear them to work too. So I just cut off the tips of my Enail Coutoure almonds. I'm pulling out my file. I probably need to file these a little bit. I didn't file them. Okay, so let's do one real quick. Alrighty, that sound good? And then I will put on the others and we'll see how the others look. Let me look for something that I'm not going to use. How about this number 7? I doubt I'm going to ever use a 7. So look, because I've used a lot of these little, Couture nails. I know I say I'm not ordering from them again because it's just, but I do kind of like these nails. It's just, it's not worth the hassle because when they take forever, they don't really, you have to agree to it. Once they hand it off to the post office, it's your problem and everything. And, I just am not up to that. I'd rather just go to Amazon or something, you're going to get it. And there's other brands. I know I don't really buy a lot of stilettos. Of course, these aren't stilettos. They're almond shaped. So anyway, I'll flip that upside down. Can you see it? And then I cut the tip off. And I never get the tips exactly the right. Uh-oh. See if one's a little stickier. I need to probably replace these little sticky tabs. They don't last forever. And then, this is almost off. We're going to throw this in the trash when we're done. It's just some clear. I picked this up at Dollar Tree, but you can use any kind of clear. Sally Hansen, even probably those LA colors if you have any. I don't know that I have any LA colors clear. Just anything you happen to have. Or if you want to put these on your nails with like gel base coat, you can do that too. And I'm not going to open one of these up. I got enough little glitters on the counter that fell. And I think they're all pretty much the same color. So, and then I just put the little glitters in. Got as many as you wanted. Looks like that's a pink. That's the wrong color. Get as many as you want until you think it looks good. Okay, I got a couple more here. May as well use them because I'm not putting them back in the box. That's a pink too. And these were real nice because they weren't real big. Remember, I tried to do the Christmas ones, and those were just so big and bulky. So anyway, then I just top coated. Now, I probably did about 3 coats of the top coat. And, you know, like I said, you can use gel, but I don't want that stuff on my fingers. Those chemicals is what, you know, happened to this one. And even with me moving it, this comes loose way easier than the rest because it doesn't have as much nail estate to work with as the others do. So anyway, these should be dry. These other set that I did, or other 5 that I did, it's all the same set. So let's put these on real quick and we'll see how the whole set looks. Alrighty. What we got going on here? But yesterday's set, they stayed on pretty good, except for these little pointers. But this one's a special case. If I had glued it, it would have been okay. But I'm trying to really take care of that now. I want that to grow out. And once it grows out, it's going to be just fine. It's going to be just fine. Let's, that one looked funny there. So. Oh. For me, you guys, it's hard to get those little thin layer off the top of it. You know, I get those up off the floor all week long. All over the house. They don't want to stay in the trash can. There's one stuck. So. And if I was actually using nail glue, I had just been using 1 and not 2. But I'm really wanting to keep my nails covered and not have them touched. And they will. I've heard some people say that these will last them a couple of weeks. I don't want to leave that stuff on my nails that long. I like changing them up. So, I might have said this in yesterday's video. I was watching Susie from Nail Career Education, and she was interviewing, I don't know his name. I'm sorry about that. He's the one that did that collaboration with Apri Nails for the Chime Legend, and he's a celebrity nail artist, and so, apparently, according to him, right now, what's sort of in style are the squares. Or, I don't know if he said that or if Susie said that that's what she noticed. And that, and then he agreed that that was the case. She said, long time it was stiletto, which I like stiletto. I like this short, pointy look because anything that makes your fingers look long and thin, I'm all for that. So, what else are we going to wear? We need to do the pointer finger now. Looks like I'm kind of off balance. This one here, when I'm pulling it, it feels a little, it's not real tight. And they say, you know, these did pretty good. I went to the hair salon. The thumbs got a little bit loose, you know, but I was sort of messing around with these compression garments. And this one doesn't have that much, but the others stood on pretty good, even the thumbs. I kind of kept pressing the thumbs down a little bit if they got loose. And they did okay. I mean, I mean, I didn't wash dishes or anything like that in there. Or take a shower. I don't know that you would want to do that, but you could wear them for the day and then take them off. I mean, it's a little bit more expensive than using glue, but you don't have to worry about, you know, ruining your nails. In fact, how I lifted this one, it was damaged anyway from all the polygel and gel and stuff, but I had pulled off a glued on nail and it caused it to lift. So it was a combination of the two. So anyway, it's going to be grown up just in no time. Okay. So I got those on. Let's see if we can get the last little stickies off. Oh, and just a disclaimer, anyone that's new that watching, I'm strictly do-it-yourself. I'm not a nail tech, never going to be a nail tech. I'm going to be 60 years old this month, kind of late for me to start a new career. And even if I wanted to, we got like probably within 1 mile from me, I've probably got about 5 Asian salons. I have, plus, you know, we got our salon at the mall. And this one here, I didn't get it on real good, but that's okay. They're not going to stay on that long anyway. I got a trash can over here. I'm trying to throw these in if y'all wonder what I'm doing. I don't remember what I paid for these glitters. It wasn't very much, but then you had to pay the postage and wait forever. Now I have Amazon Prime, but I have noticed in the last few days when I was to go look at, you know, foils or something like that, that seems like the price of the Prime products have gone up a little bit. So, and these are with just clear. You know, I decided that I did not want to try to put any beige color or anything that I thought might match my skin tone underneath. That we would just, because I've had bad luck doing that in the past, we would just take our chances with clear. And hopefully these are dried enough that I'm not messing up the design, and I'll be able to wear these next week a day at work. I'm hoping so anyway. Now, if I stuck these on too soon before they was good and dry, that might be a different story then. Looks like this one here's a little bit crooked. I need to kind of trim that other side. And just hold them on. Keep your hands out of water for a little while. Let's see if we can trim this enough a little bit. Well, anyway, it's good enough. Anyway, so this is what they look like. I might try to get a thumbnail. Hope you like them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.